At this moment, this wallet doesn't belong to you, but soon it will. I'll walk you through the step-by-step method to pull off a rug pull and bank some crazy gains. I'm about to drop the full game plan, but first, let's avoid a major screw-up. If you're thinking of launching on Pump Fun, hold up, let me stop you right there. Take a quick look at Photon Filtered for Pump Fun decks, and you'll see meme coins dropping non-stop. Right now, Can and T-Coin just launched, but they're doomed from the start. Why? Because Pump Fun's flooded with low-effort projects. It takes zero skill to list there. Radium's our secret weapon. Filter the launches and you'll only see 9 coins launched in the last 6 minutes. That's barely any competition. And the hype? Insane. Check these numbers. 60,000 liquidity, 30,000 volume, 250,000% gains. Traders go crazy for Radium drops because you need real dev skills to launch, which builds instant credibility. That's why we're rolling with Radium. Here's the playbook. Launch Tool is the cheat code for Radium deployments. Skip the dev headaches, a few clicks and your token's live. Been running this play for 30 days straight. And the gains? Absolutely stupid money. After scouring Google, I finally landed the ideal logo for my coin. Y'all know I'm all about movies. Now the Ghibli showed up and I decided to combine the two. So it is a Django meme in Ghibli style. Next, hop into Canva, whip up a 128 by 128 pixel design, clean up the borders if needed, and download it. Boom, done. Alright, let's get this meme token rolling. Head over to launchtool.io, double check the URL so you don't land on some sketchy copycat site. First step, connect your wallet by hitting select wallet and picking whichever one you prefer. Alright, time to name your token. Drop something catchy in the name field like LaughCoin and a short snappy ticker like LAUGH. In the description, just throw in a quick blurb about your project. Keep it simple, like the infamous Django meme now has its Ghibli token. Once that's done, slap on the logo you made in Canva, hit next, and let's keep rolling. Alright, now we're setting up the token supply. The presets are already ideal, just stick with 1 billion LaughCoins, don't touch anything here, and hit next. Alright, next up is the creator info section. Basically, they're trying to upsell you on paid promo, but you don't need that. Nobody's going to find your coin through some fancy website. Your real buyers, they'll be coming straight from Radium. So skip the extra marketing, save that 0.1 Solana, and just hit skip. Like I mentioned before, you don't actually need extra exposure here. Just ignore the website and social media sections, hit skip, and keep it moving. Next up is the revoke options section. Make sure you keep these enabled. Yeah, it'll cost you 0.3 Solana, but these settings are crucial for investor trust. By keeping them active, you're proving you won't freeze wallets, mess with the token supply, or randomly change metadata. If investors see these options disabled, they'll bail instantly and your token will go nowhere. Trust me, pay the small fee now, it'll save you later. Once you're set, hit Launch My Token Now and confirm the transaction. Head over to the next screen and tap the very last option at the bottom. That's where you'll spot your token on SolScan. If things look off, don't stress. You didn't accidentally mint an NFT. Just exit, chill for a bit, then reload it from Launch Tool. Once it refreshes, everything should pop up right. This is where you'll check your circulating supply, token name, and ticker symbol. Alright, let's jump back into Launch Tool and set up our liquidity pool. Hit Create Liquidity Pool. It'll redirect you to Radium. Make sure your wallet's connected. For the base token, pick the one you just made. Head back to Launch Tool, click the first icon above the pool button, and copy your token's address. Paste that into the search bar. Then enter your token's symbol and name. Hit Add User Token and select yours. Since I minted 1 billion tokens, that's our max supply. For initial liquidity, drop in 900 million. For the quote token, choose Solana, since we're on Solana Network. You can toss in all your Solana, but leave 0.2 Solana for Radium's fee. Pro tip, you're the first buyer, so you can't lose here. Set the fee tier to 2%, click Initialize Liquidity Pool, and confirm the TX. Boom, your coin's live. Check the Portfolio tab, switch to Standard, and refresh in a bit to see your LP. Alright, head over to Photon and set the filter to Radium. You'll spot the token I just made right there. Click on it, then grab the coin's address from the URL bar. The part you need is everything after the final slash in the link. Head over to dexscreener.com and pick any random token. Change its address and paste the address you copied from Photon right after the last slash in the URL. Boom, you're on the tokens page. You'll spot some early buy orders, but don't get fooled. Those are just bots trying to snipe cheap entries. Just hang tight, the real whales haven't even shown up yet. For now, I'm just going to relax and wait. Just dropped $60 bomb. That's 0.6 Solana. 330 million coins. This sent the chart vertical. Price is absolutely sending it. Liquidity pumped to $250, and we're up 370% in 5 minutes. This is absolutely mental. We have some paper hands jumping ship already. Let them take their weak gains. We're playing for generational wealth. Oh my god. Just got a $150 whale buy, 1.2 Solana, and this thing is absolutely nuclear. I told you radium is the way. Okay, this strat is actually genius. Since you own the LP, you're basically printing money. Zero risk, zero marketing, no shilling against 10,000 other meme coins. Just got another $100 buy, and after 12 minutes, this thing's still climbing. But let's be real. Time to pull the rug before some whale dumps and wreck the chart. Secure the bag, take those sweet profits, and ghost. Head back to the Radium site and go to the portfolio section. Make sure you're on the standard view under My Positions. If your assets don't pop up right away, don't stress. Just give it a minute or two and hit refresh. Once they appear, tap the minus icon, slide the amount to 100% or hit the 100% button, then hit Remove Liquidity. Confirm the transaction, and boom, you've got your funds back. I kick things off with just 1 Solana in my wallet before making this token. Now I'm sitting on 2.5, not bad for like 15 minutes of effort, right? Just to be clear, this isn't financial advice, and I'm not partnered with any sites mentioned. I'll drop the links below though. This method is absolutely killing it right now, but let's be real, nothing stays hot forever. If you don't jump on this soon, the opportunity might vanish.